Greetings. Welcome to my channel. Tag question for practice part 10. S.S.C. Dhaka Board 2020. Let's have a walk outside the farm, let's have a walk outside the farm, shall we? I am in the habit of walking every morning, I am in the habit of walking every morning, aren't I? No one should miss the opportunity, no one should miss the opportunity, should they? Morning entertains us with fresh air, morning entertains us with fresh air, doesn't it? Have a try to form this habit of morning walk, have a try to form this habit of morning walk, will you? Like, share and subscribe please. Learn with Jahangir Sir. Thanks for watching. Till today. Jahangir Alam, teacher, UCEP Bangladesh.